Hey Wonderbout friends, we are here in Forsyth Park in Savannah, Georgia on a beautiful Saturday afternoon. And if you're visiting the city, I totally recommend Forsyth Park, especially on a Saturday. The park is filled with people. It's the day of the weekly farmers market, and there's lots of arts and crafts and yummy things to eat. Plus, Forsyth Park is chock full of some fun, interesting, gossipy stories. So come along, I'll show you around and tell you a little bit about the place. On a Saturday morning in Savannah, Forsyth Park is buzzing with life. By 9 a.m., the southern end is lined with tents as the Forsyth Farmers Market gets underway. Founded in 2009, it's a producer-only market, meaning that everything sold, vegetables, meats, bread, or honey, is grown or made by the people behind the tables. Families stroll through with coffee in hand, kids dart between the stalls, and the smell of fresh herbs and baked goods floats through the warm Georgia air. Dogs pull up at their leashes and musicians strum quietly under the oaks, and neighbors linger to catch up. It's more than a market, it's a weekly ritual woven into the rhythm of Savannah life. The city may change, but every Saturday, Forsyth Park brings it all back to community, conversation, and the simple joy of food in a beautiful place.
I recommend this. What is it called? Old Standard.
The Old Standard Baking Company. Oh my gosh, what is it?
It's really buttery.
Long before the market tents went up, Forsyth Park was already a cornerstone of Savannah. Established in the 1840s and named after Governor John Forsyth, the park began as a 10-acre gift from William B. Hodgson and grew into a 30-acre green space inspired by the great public parks of Paris. It's home to a cast-iron fountain, ordered from a catalog and installed in 1858, along with Civil War memorials, shaded walking paths lined with oaks, and a garden designed in the 1950s for the visually impaired. With playgrounds, sports courts, and open lawns, Forsyth Park isn't just a historic landmark, it's a living, breathing part of the city.
Representing the fact that obviously you are very sick, either in the head, heart, or mind. But at least there is hope, because after that we have the lovers, the people who will be supporting you on this journey. And if you allow them to support you, we have the Happy Valentine's Day.
Smell it?
No, this. Yeah. Yeah, it's like a jasmine kind of smell. I think that's
I can
what
smell
we're
it when you
smelling
move
as
it,
we
yeah.
walk up. The whole place was covered with snow like 3 weeks ago.
Yeah.
And now we've got jugglers in the park. Sorry.
I was out here when it was snowing.
You were doing this when it was snowing? What's your name? Sorry, I'm videotaping.
I'm Peter.
Peter?
Yeah.
Do you do this professionally, Peter?
Professionally, funly. Okay. Actually, I can practice them.
Well, you look good. Thank you for letting us get you on camera. Journey in our tour of Forsyth Park here at the Fragrant Garden. It's a special feature of Forsyth Park. Did you know that it was built for the visually impaired?
I did not know that.
Yes, and isn't it amazing that you can smell it as you're walking up to it?
I know, it's crazy.
You can kind of smell it before you can see it or know what's going on. So it's a special kind of cool feature here of the park. I hope you enjoyed the tour, and we really encourage you to come back and check out the farmers market or just visit Forsyth Park on any beautiful day in Savannah. You will not be disappointed, right?
Right?
Until next time. Go home?
Yeah.
I'm starting to get a little sweaty.